Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a CPU run faster in Windows 11. I want you to come here, the bottom left, hit search, and just type in power plan, okay? And then here, this takes you to the control panel, to the setting, edit power plan, click on open. And then what I want you to do is just come over here, click on change advanced power settings, okay? Click on this. And then right here, if you have options like, for example, high performance power plan, choose that. If you don't have it, it's okay. Just scroll down until you see right here, power processor power management. Okay, click on this plus icon. Then click on the plus icon on maximum processor state. Make sure it's at 100% for on battery or even when plugged in. Click on apply, click on OK, right? And you can close this. It's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.